Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 359. This is, let's check the time. It is now 11:05 p.m. Winnipeg sold at 11 p.m. on July 19th, 2021. This is for one box of Series 2 retail, and it is the 19th box of 20, all from the same case. Box 20 and our final box of Series 2 goes tomorrow night. Your sale number here was listed in all 31 NHL listings, and we will be sure to show that before we open the box. There are a few new guys with me, so we're just going over the rules really quickly. Let's pick on A. Paquette, 84, only because he's been with me before. He owns the Toronto Maple Leafs. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be anywhere from 24, 25, 26 hits. If there are any Toronto Maple Leaf hits, I'm going to mail them to A. Paquette to the shipping address he has listed on eBay. In the unfortunate event that there are no Toronto Maple Leaf cards, I'm going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to A. Paquette 84 because there was nothing to mail. I know he paid 50 cents for the Leafs as far as shipping, but that's a group collection for the amount of packaging, product, and postage that needs to go with the Series 1 and 2 product. If you do have a package coming to you, please be patient as it is a little bit behind, but getting better. But your cards will always arrive. All right, guys, let's get to it. A. Paquette owns the Leafs. Bizik, 1978, has the Ducks, the Bruins, the Sabres, the Flames, the Columbus Blue Jackets, the Red Wings, the Kings, the St. Louis Blues, the Vegas Knights, and the Washington Capitals. Cashbar owns the Stars, the Devils, and the Sharks. D. 306512 has the Flyers. Fast Forward Fish has the Panthers and the Canucks. Canal Jane owns the Hawks, the Oilers, and the Rangers. Carp 7 has the Canadiens and the Islanders. Keithman owns the Jets. Niles Crane, Frazier, owns the Nashville Predators. I guess you're going to be big on Seattle. Odie owns the Avalanche. Sasha owns the Coyotes, the Hurricanes, the Wild, and the Senators. Sergeant B owns the Penguins and the Lightning. All right, let's remember 20055 as we switch over to the webcam. 20055 as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Good luck, everyone. First break of the week. Good luck, everyone. And we do go through all the cards for any variations. Our first hit is a Jansen Harkins for your Winnipeg Jets. Upper Deck Portrait Rookies. Bobby Ryan, award winners for your Ottawa Senators. Congratulations to Ottawa. We have a Connor Ingram, Nashville, Upper Deck Portrait Rookies. I'm not 100% up to date with all the trading that's going on and people making moves, so they're protecting some players or getting another player and leaving them exposed, but interesting stuff. Young gun incoming for your San Jose Sharks, Maxime Lutenov. Congratulations, San Jose, our first young gun of the box. Young gun incoming for your Buffalo Sabres. That's a nice one to have. Dylan Cousins. Congratulations to Buffalo. Bob Probert. Oh, fantastic. He's one of the legends and one of the harder canvas cards to hit. And they, unfortunately, he's passed away now, but what a nice card to have. I haven't seen this one yet. Congratulations to Detroit. That is a nice card. Thomas Hurdle for your San Jose Sharks, Upper Deck Canvas. And those legend ones are a little harder to hit. So it was nice. And it's nice that it landed on the toughest fighter and player in hockey. Thomas Harley, Marquee Rookies for your Dallas Stars. Just going to move the cursor so we don't time out. Okay. And we have one of our dead packs that generally happen. And 3 packs will have 2 hits in it, which makes no sense, but that's the way they packaged it. Like this pack will have 2 hits. And our first hit is a Alec Regula for your Chicago Blackhawks, Marquee Rookies. And behind that, we have a Travis Konecny for your Philadelphia Flyers, Green Dazzlers. Congratulations to Philadelphia. See, 1 pack no hits, next pack 2 hits. So I like the product where it's simple. Sometimes it's 1 pack per hit. And we have a game jersey. And it's a nice one too for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Rookie Materials, Igor Korshkov. Congratulations to the Leafs. And I like that it's a nice blue jersey. Young Gun incoming. For your Vegas Knights, Cage Quinney. Congratulations to the Vegas Golden Knights. And behind that we have a Jack Hughes, New Jersey Devils. Green Dazzler. Young Gun incoming. For your Columbus Blue Jackets, Calvin Thurkoff. Congratulations to Columbus. Madness. Oh. Kivalinkas. I just feel bad for this kid. Upper Deck Portrait Rookies for your Columbus Blue Jackets. That's sad. Kind of bothered me when I pulled the card. I feel bad for the kid. Sorry, guys. For your Arizona Coyotes, Victor Soderstrom. Congratulations to Arizona. Joseph Wall for your Toronto Maple Leafs. We're going to need a goalie, kid. I hope you're up to the task. Anderson's going, and Campbell will not do the job. So, ready or not, I think you're going to go in the net. Even though the Leafs got like 9 goalies. We have a Peyton Krebs for your Vegas Golden Knights, Marquee Rookies. Two hits in this pack. Clayton Keller for your Arizona Coyotes. Celebrating a nice goal scored. And behind that, we have a Seth Jones on your Columbus Blue Jackets. Green Dazzlers. Congratulations to Columbus. Mikko Rantanen for your Colorado Avalanche. Upper Deck Canvas. Make sure we don't time out here. Again, guys, all week we are going with SPX and Extended, and the final box of Series 2. Young Gun incoming. For your Chicago Blackhawks, Brandon Hagel. We have a Marquee Rookies, Mason Marchment for your Florida Panthers. And behind that, we have a Victor Soderstrom for your Arizona Coyotes. Green Dazzlers. Three packs to go. Young Gun incoming. For your Nashville Predators, Cole Smith. Congratulations to Nashville. Award winners, Connor Hellebuck for your Winnipeg Jets. Fantastic goalie, top 5 in my opinion. And final pack. Thanks, everybody. Hope to see you guys tomorrow night. We end with a Washington Capital Vitek Vanacek Marquee Rookies. And there you have it. Thanks, everyone. Hope to see you guys tomorrow night.